Hello, my name is Elena Fantino and I'm an assistant professor in aerospace engineering at Khalifa University. Today I would like to talk about the astronomical event of the month, the passage of the comet Neowise. Neowise is a comet discovered this year in March and named after the space telescope that observed it for the first time, the WISE telescope. The peculiarity of Neowise is its brightness, which makes it visible to the naked eye from our hemisphere. Comets, often nicknamed cosmic snowballs, are made of ice, rock, and dust. When passing close to the Sun, they warm up and begin to release gases. This produces a visible atmosphere called coma, and often also two tails, one neutral made of dust and gas, and one ionized made of electrically charged gas molecules or ions. The neutral tail of Neowise is wide, diffused, and curving. Alongside it, a narrow and bluish ion tail can also be seen, which makes a perfectly straight line pointing away from the Sun in a ray-like configuration. The reason the ion tail is straight is precisely because these are charged particles. They interact with the solar wind, a stream of ions and electrons coming from the Sun, and are swept away by it. Neowise comes from very far, from outside our solar system. It made its closest approach to the Sun on July 3rd at a distance of 43 million kilometers, and it is now zooming past the Earth on its way out of the solar system. One of the most fascinating details about Neowise is that it won't return to our skies for another 6,800 years. Hence, its passage of this month is a once-in-a-lifetime event. So how can skywatchers in the Emirates spot the object? Well, it is visible for 3 hours after sunset, looking northwest just under the Big Dipper constellation. The comet will stay visible across the northern hemisphere until mid-August. To those watching it with the naked eye without any tools or instruments like a telescope, it looks like a fuzzy star with a little bit of a tail. You do need to be away from city lights though. If you have binoculars or a small telescope, bring them with you to get the best views of this dazzling display. I would like to thank Khalifa University for giving me the opportunity to share this interesting story.